The next product we'll take a look at is chats. There are two types of chats, private chats and group chats. Before we get into that, let me show you how cool these are as an administrator of the site. In the top of your EzyCourse dashboard, you've always got this messenger icon, and you can access the private chats from your students and the group chats that you've got running as well. So underneath products, you've got group chats and private chats. Group chats are a little bit like something you would have on other social media platforms where you've got a group of people together with the ability to chat to each other. Very easy to set these up, and just some limited information. And you can give group chats away for free. Of course, you can sell them, so there's some extra revenue there. Private chats are one-to-one with tutors, so this is great if you want to give your students the ability to chat with you on a one-to-one basis. Maybe you're mentoring or coaching them, and you've charged them a premium price to be able to message you directly. Now, let's have a look at what this looks like from a user perspective. So just like with everything else, the user can go into their dashboard and they can access their group chats from there. But this icon that appears on the menu bar at the top is the easiest way of getting into the chats. You can see there's a tab for private chats here, and there's a tab for group chats as well. And as you can see, this looks very much like you'd see on other social media platforms. And you can see those in their own messenger window as well, where you can really kind of see it full screen. So private chats, group chats, definitely a great addition for your EzyCourse platform to build more revenue.